So this is our ventilator anesthetic circuit. It has the capacity to do manual, so like a regular anesthetic machine, or auto, which is ventilation. Now with this machine, there are a couple of different things that are different. The same goes for this machine as any other anesthetic machine. You're gonna wanna make sure it's plugged in, and you're gonna wanna make sure that oxygen and the scavenge are both hooked up, and that the oxygen is turned on before you start any of your anesthetic machines. To turn this machine on, you have the power button here, and you just click it on. While that's loading, the different components on this machine are, we have something called a bellows, which is this here, which inflates and deflates with the vent. And then you also have your bags like you would on a regular system, depending on whether you are doing auto or manual. Now, in order to set up this system, it will automatically leak test itself, and it gives the directions on the screen. So it starts with the auto circuit leak test. So this is the switch, toggle switch, to toggle between auto and manual. So to begin, you're gonna wanna flip it to auto. You're gonna wanna make sure the flow meter is at 0. And then you're gonna wanna push this button, this is the O2 flush, until the bellows is completely full. So we can see it rising, and it's full all the way. So we hit continue. Sometimes the leak test will fail. You just wanna double check and make sure that you have your circuit closed off. So if you can see here, I have it plugged here, so that way it's blocked, so that way you can test the circuit. You also want to make sure that your bag's on and you have your tubes connected in properly. You can see here, it passed, and it gives you the compliance. So you hit continue, then you're gonna flip the toggle switch back to manual. You're gonna make sure your bag is on. You're going to adjust the APL valve, which is this valve here. It has a blue top that you push down, and that's like your pop-off valve. So you're gonna adjust this to 30. And then you're gonna press the flush until your pressure gauge, which is back here, goes between 15 and 25. So I like to put mine to 20, just to make it simple. And again, this to 30, and then we're gonna push the O2 flush until this goes to 20. And again, you're gonna hit continue, and it will automatically leak test. So this is the manual circuit leak test that's running. And then it said passed. So both of your circuits have been leak tested, and they have passed the leak test. So you can continue on with your anesthetic.